7 plus 7 square plus 7 cube plus 7 to the power of 4 divided by 7 plus 7 cube. So when we see this, the number is becoming too big, but I can see the relationship. 7 plus 7 cube, we do not change anything. And this one, 1, 2, can combine together 7 plus 7 cube, right? And here is 7 to the power of 4 and 7 to the power of 7 to the power 2 and 7 to the power of 4, right? So I still have everything in it. I did not change any of the value. So this one, we can make it into one item. This is 1 unit, right? Plus 7 to the power of 1 times 7. This is 7 to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 3. And these together makes 7 to the power of 4. So now I became this uniformed unit. And 1, 1, 1, right? So 7 times 1 is 7. And here is 1. 1 plus 7 is 1 plus 7 over 1. So 8 over 1. It is 8.